Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I am back with another hair video. Today I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite hair products that I use on my color treated and heat trained natural hair. So yes, let me start off by saying my hair is natural. I've gotten a few people asking me lately if I relaxed my hair. No girl, I'm just heat trained now. I'm just a silk press natural, as they say. I'm either wearing my hair in a silk press style or a rod set on like a blowout, like a flexi rod set. I've been really into those lately. Or sometimes I'll just wash my hair and just leave it curly just to give my hair a break from the heat. And sorry if my hair looks just a little crazy right now. She is just not cooperating today. I don't know what is going on with this. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off with some products that I've been talking about on my channel forever, and that is Olaplex. Okay, I love me some Olaplex. I know they had a little situation a few months back. I don't know what that's about. That ain't got nothing to do with me. The hair products work amazingly on my hair. So I currently use Olaplex number 3, 4, and 5. 3, and this is 4 and 5. And then this is number 0, which I just recently started using. I just recently started using these a few months ago. So, well, this one particularly a few months ago. Number 3 is the Hair Perfector. It's like a pre-treatment, as well as number 0. They're both like a pre-treatment that you use before you shampoo and condition. And this is the shampoo, number 4, and number 5 is the conditioner. And these are the only Olaplex products that I've tried so far. But I've been using 3, 4, and 5 for some years now, probably about 2-3 years, and I did have like a full review on their products on my channel. I don't know, I'll link it here. The whole purpose of Olaplex is to help repair the bonds in your hair after you've broken them down, doing, you know, whatever, color treating your hair if your hair is damaged. I would say you don't necessarily need to use Olaplex if your hair is like not color treated, or if you don't like use a lot of heat on it, but I think it's always good to do a little treatment here and there. Yeah, I use those products about once a month. I try not to go over that because it's just not really necessary, but I just love how it just keeps my hair healthy and just thriving, you know, no matter what I do to it. Of course, I can't overdo it and expect Olaplex to fix it. But so next we have the Ion Blowout Solutions Weightless Conditioner and Weightless Shampoo. Sally Beauty actually sent these to me a while back, not for like a sponsorship, but just they wanted me to like create a video or something for them to use. So I just ended up really liking these products. I didn't expect to. I originally was using it on like my wigs and stuff, and then one day I was just like, let me see, oh my god, why does this keep falling out? I was just like, let me see how this works on my natural hair, and I ended up actually really loving it. It helps my hair feel really lightweight. It makes it easy to blow my hair out and straighten it. Like it really does improve dry time. It makes my hair feel super lightweight. It smells pretty good too. Also, I think these products are not super expensive. I think I saw them in Sally Beauty and I was pleasantly surprised at the price. I'm like, oh, this is not too bad. Yeah, so I'll use that. I'll use the Ion Blowout Solutions if I'm doing like a regular blowout, just for like my rod set styles like I mentioned earlier, or if I'm gonna do a silk press. It works either way for me. Next up is another line that is kind of more recent in my routine, but I am in love with them. So besides Olaplex, my stylist also recommended ItaTen hair products to me, and ever since I started using them, y'all, I've been literally obsessed. So the products that I've tried that I really like from ItaTen are the Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In, and it comes in this spray bottle, as you can see. Sorry about my nail, guys. It's broken, it's missing, it's ghetto, I'm sorry, but I didn't have time to go to the nail salon. So, and then also this Miracle Silk Smoothing Balm, Miracle Hair Mask. I've recently started using within the past couple of weeks, and I really like it. And then a newer product that I probably just started using in like the past week or two is this Silk Express Miracle Silk Shampoo. And it comes with a pump, which y'all know, if you know, I love a good pump, okay? I love some hair products with a good pump. But yeah, I love the leave-in and the Silk Smoothing Balm. I've been using them for months. I mentioned them in my last natural hair update video. Absolutely amazing products for a bomb silk press almost every time. Like I said, I've been using this a little bit more recently, like the past couple of months, and I really love it's like a deep conditioner hair mask. I detangle with it. It conditions my hair. It feels really good. Not sure how I feel about the smell. It also kind of gives like grandma a little bit. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I love the products. I don't even care what they smell like. They're so good. Like they make my hair so silky, smooth, and shiny. I use them whenever I'm gonna do a silk press. I love ItaTen hair products, especially their leave-in and their hair mask and the Miracle Silk Smoothing Balm. Like those 3 products are top tier. Now, another product that I kind of recently started using but absolutely love is this Redken Scalp Relief Pyrithione Zinc Dandruff Shampoo. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but this is what it looks like. So it just comes in like this gray bottle. Like, it looks like salon quality product, and it is. So I got this because when you use a lot of heat on your hair, when you're frequently using heat on your hair, you tend to get like really dry scalp and dandruff because of the heat. And I was like prone to dandruff anyways. My skin, like my body's just dry. Like my skin is dry, my scalp gets dry, the skin on my face gets really dry. Like, it's always been an issue for me. But more so now that I'm using all this heat, I was noticing a lot of dandruff, and that's not cool. Like, that's not cool. So I set out to find a dandruff shampoo, and I started using this. It is a pH balanced formula, specifically formulated for dry scalp, dandruff, stuff like that, and it works, you guys. Like, it really works. Like, it really helps to minimize the dandruff. Like, I still noticed a little bit after using it because it's like the heat is, it's gonna happen, you know, it's gonna happen. But like, even when I was just doing my hair today and last night when I was straightening it and stuff, that's usually when I see the dandruff the most. Like, when I'm blowing my hair out, I'll see like the flakes falling already, and I've been noticing that like that almost hasn't been happening at all, like after I started using this product right here. So as you can kind of tell, I use these products on rotation. So like, maybe beginning of the month I'll use Olaplex, and then the ion blowout solutions for like any blowout styles that I'm doing. ItaTen, I kind of always use ItaTen because they're more so styling products. And then I'll use this maybe like once or twice a month, and yeah, just keep the rotation going just like that. So these products all help to keep my hair healthy, you know, despite all of the heat, despite all of the, you know, the bleaching and the dyeing that I love to do to my hair. I can't, girl, I can't help it. I'm so sorry. When I am doing rod sets and things like that, I love to use the Dew Boost Def texture foam, and I've been using this for years at this point. If you've been following me, then you know, like, this is my girl right here. This is my girl for curly styles, rod sets, wash and goes, even like twist outs, just everything. If I'm using it for a wash and go, it's probably like I'm gonna wash my hair in like 2 or 3 days anyways, because it'll frizz out faster than if I use gel. For a styling foam, one of the best, if you ask me. Okay, so next, dry shampoo. I thought this was for the white girlies. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, what do I need dry shampoo for? Like, I'm gonna wash my hair, so what do I need dry shampoo? Get you some dry shampoo. Whether you heat style or if you protective style a lot, especially, or if you work out a lot, get you some dry shampoo. And so the dry shampoos that I've been using are this Raw Sugar Pro Remedy for color treated hair protective dry shampoo, and it's almost out, so you know I've been using this. And then another brand that I like is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Refreshing Shampoo. As you can see, it is travel size, so I tend to just take this with me when I'm traveling. I really love the way that this smells a lot. Dry shampoo, you guys, perfect for your braids. Like, if you have box braids or like passion twists, or, you know, whatever protective styles, a sew-in maybe even. For me, it just works really well because I work out 4 to 5 times a week. So I need something to keep my hair fresh, to keep it flowing, you know, keep it beautiful, and, you know, whatever. It just really helps to like refresh your hair basically. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that. And last but not least, this Ouya leave-in conditioner. It was a collab with Byredo Mojave Ghost. So this is a leave-in conditioner, but the smell is so strong that I could not imagine using this on my entire head like I would with this ItaTen leave-in conditioner. But it smells so good. It smells so good, y'all. It just gives grown and sexy. Like, I don't really know how to describe it, but I love it as a hair perfume, you know? So I'll just take like 1 or 2 sprays, because that's really all you need. Like I said, it's super strong, so 1 or 2 sprays on each side, and my hair smells freaking amazing. And I think Byredo might actually have like their own hair perfumes, but Ouya sent this to me in a PR box, so I'm not gonna go spend my money on the hair perfume when I don't really need it. Love how this leave-in conditioner smells. I feel like it's a little bit of the best of both worlds, because it's still a leave-in conditioner and it's still going on my hair, so it's still conditioning my hair a little bit, you know, and also making it smell really, really good. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Okay, these are the products that I am always using. They are rotating in my hair routine. I use them basically. This is it for me right now. So yeah, even if you're not a heat trained natural or not color treated, some of these products are just really good. And I'm gonna close this video up by saying that if you are natural and you are afraid to do things with your hair because we've just been policed since this natural hair movement started. Like, there's been so much policing going on about what we should be doing to our hair and what's considered natural and blah 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 blah. Like, girl, F that noise, okay? F that noise. You want to dye your hair, dye it. You want to straighten your hair, straighten it. You want to do whatever you want to do to your hair, do it. You want to shave it all off, cut it all off, because guess what? At the end of the day, it's gonna grow back. Like, unless you severely damage your scalp, it's gonna grow back. And if it doesn't, girl, that's why we have wigs, okay? And they look really good now. So it's just like, do what you want with your hair. Do what you want. Stop listening to the natural hair police. It'll be fine, I promise, okay? Live a little, live a little. And with that, I say I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.